Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to TradeTech Analysis. Today, I'm excited to introduce a powerful new indicator called Dynamic Linear Candles, aka DLC. It is designed to smooth out the noise and help you identify trends more clearly with custom candles and a dynamic signal line. So, without wasting time, let's dive into how it works. So, first feature of this indicator is its signal smoothing length. This is the length which controls the smoothness of the signal line. This one, red green. Okay. And the second thing that is moving average. So the smoothing type I have used as SMA by default. So you have the choice of using EMA, WMA or HMA. Okay. And the moving average length by default that I've used, that is 11. And candle customization, user can adjust the colors. I mean, you guys can adjust the colors. These ones, the customization. For buy, it will turn in the line will turn it in green, and for sell, it will turn it in red. Okay. So this indicator allow you to customize it fully. You can adjust the signal smoothing length and choose different smoothing types like SMA, EMA, WMA, and even advanced HMA, like I just mentioned above. The moving average length lets you smooth out the candle themselves, giving you a cleaner view of the market. You can also customize the candle colors and opacity for better visibility. The opacity, this is what it is being talked about. Okay. And how it works. So I'm going to explain you exactly how it is working in the background. Okay, so candle uses a moving average, just like I have told you twice. So by default, SMA for each OHLC component, that is open, high, low, and close. Okay, the scripts colors the candles dynamically based on whether the closing price is above or below the open, that is bullish or bearish. The signal line is plotted using the selected smoothing type, that is SMA, EMA, WMA, HMA, because this is the core function of this indicator. Okay, the line color changes based on the price action relative to the signal line. Okay, so when it is buy, the line will change into green, and when it is closing below the line, then it will turn into red. So this is your buy and this is your exit. So like you can buy on this one and close on this one, and this could be sell. Okay, and this could be exit, or in case you want to go for buy, right? Let me just remove it. So this DLC script enhancing your candles by applying a smoothing algorithm using options like EMA or HMA or SMA to reduce the market noise. If the closing price is above the open, candle turns bullish, and vice versa. The signal line changes color based on the price action, turning green when the price is above and red when it's below, like I just explained you, helping you quickly identify shifts in trend. So let me just take you to the demo of this indicator. So this indicator is able to capture the trends. See, that was a buy signal here, right? That was in the trending market. This was the buy and this was the exit. Okay, so let me show you how much point move it was. that is 3,900 points. Again, from here, that is almost 2,000 points. And look at this one. From here, that is 7,688 points. Similar here, okay? And when it is turning red and green again and again, like within few candles, that means market is sideways. This is the example of sideways market. It was green, red, like the green and then red. So when it is turning green, red, you can simply avoid the trade. Okay. And for, my suggestion, like for the sideways market, you need to include your technical analysis as well. So let's say when market is sideways, we basically create one support and resistance line, right? So let's say this was the top and this was the bottom. So we generally don't trade when the price is sideways. So that thing you can also try. This could be hard to capture obviously because it was in the sideways market. But there, look at this. It took the support as well from this line. So that's how your support and resistance lines also work. Okay. So that way you can achieve big profits as well. And right now BTC gave a good move here in this candle, and the high that it has given of 2800 points, it is trying to touch this line again. It is a possibility that it touches the green line, it touches this EMA line and then go up again. And if it is coming down, then definitely it is crossing and this line will become red. Okay, so it's freely available on TradingView. I will put my TradingView account link in the description, and you can explore all the indicators that I have created so far. 10, and 7 out of them are free. 3 are paid, but definitely they are paid for some reason, because these are more smarter than the free indicators. So with this, thank you so much and have a good day. And if you like this indicator or any other indicator from my TradingView account, so please leave a feedback. I would love to hear how it works. Give it a try simply and let me know. Okay, don't forget to like this video as well. Subscribe for more training content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.